understood how the current is flowing through from different parts. So without the transistor, what's going to happen? So I'm going to show you this. So with the transistor, the snap circuit works this way. So switch on. The only one is microcontroller. Only my microcontroller works because I didn't get to play the game yet. So mother is going to be on thanks to the NPN transistor, which is going to act like a switch for the mother. And let's see. I'm going to select game 7 and I'm going to click B, go. Now, up. I pressed for 4 seconds. Yay, I won! Here we go. Anyway. So it's going to keep going on, right? I mean, what makes that possible is the NPN transistor. NPN transistor is activated when I press the C button with the correct amount of time, because that's how the program is programmed inside of the microcontroller. And this is going to spin forever if I don't press the C button again. When I press the C button again, the current is going to flow through the transistor, and transistor is going to act like a switch and stop it. Okay? So what if we don't have the transistor? So I'm going to take off the transistor. This is how I take off. I need to try too. Base is disconnected. Base is disconnected. Okay? The collector is disconnected. Emitter is disconnected. Taken out. Now, from negative side to negative end to the negative end of the battery, we parallel connected the microcontroller to battery, just a deep note. And then this side, the negative side of the battery, is going to go to the, negative side of the motor is going to go to the battery too. Since mine is not long enough, okay, I'm going to use this red wire, jump wire. By the way, number 4 of the microcontroller, loose. I didn't connect, so this is not functional. It doesn't function for anything. I'm just going to leave it there. So from negative side of the battery to the negative side of the motor to negative side of the battery. Well, as soon as I turn it on, everything is working. Like there's nothing to stop the motor. So no transistor, NPN transistor, then the motor is going to keep spinning. Nothing stops it. So let's try to play the game again. B. So microcontroller still works as it works. The sound is still the same. It's the same amount of amplitude, the same amplitude. Let's see if I win, what's going to happen to the disco motor. Yay, I won. See that? It quickly went to the go, like started all over in the microcontroller. And this keeps spinning. So transistor NPN here act like a switch. So that was a question in the near part about that. So hopefully you guys can make it work. Well, act like a switch by controlling the current, right? It wasn't allowing the current to go through the motor as long as you don't keep pressing the C with the correct amount of time, right? I mean, that's all about it. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand this project way better than before.